Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will be talking about one of the common problems we face, that is ashy foundation. We buy foundation, we think that it will look perfect on our skin tone, but when we start to apply it, we see that it has started to look ashy on our skin tone. Personally, I feel that getting the right foundation which will match you perfectly is one of the toughest jobs ever. And it's not always possible to buy foundation of different shades to customize your own foundation. So today in this video, I will be sharing few tips and tricks so that you can correct or fix your ashy foundation without using another foundation. There are mainly three reasons for which your foundation might look ashy on you. Reason number one is when you ended up buying a foundation which is lighter than your skin tone. Yes, we can fix this problem to some extent by contouring, but still I see that it looks ashy, especially the area around our mouth or jawline. So if you are facing this problem, then I will suggest you to follow this trick. Take your lighter foundation and apply it just on the center portion of your face. That is under your eyes, little bit on your chin, on the center portion of your forehead, and little bit on the bridge of your nose. Then with the help of a damp beauty sponge, blend out your foundation properly. It will give you a nice highlighted effect on your skin without looking ashy. The second reason is when you don't find a foundation which has the perfect undertone in it. Most of the Indians have very warm yellow or golden undertone, but the foundations which are formulated outside India are not as warm as we require. Personally, I struggle a lot when I try to find a foundation of the brands like Maybelline or Wet n Wild, because I have seen that their foundations are not that warm. So if you are facing the similar problem, then you can apply this trick. Take little bit of turmeric powder and mix it up with your foundation. Just keep one thing in your mind, that turmeric powder is extremely pigmented. So use as much as you require to make your foundation warm according to your skin tone. After mixing it properly, apply your foundation all over your face. Then with the help of a damp beauty sponge, blend it out. Turmeric powder will also help you to brighten up your face. If you have a neutral or pink undertone, and you find that your foundation is too warm for your skin tone, then you can correct it just by applying the right tone powder. If you have neutral undertone, which means that you have both the blue and green veins here, then you can correct it by applying a white tone powder. And if you have pink undertone, which means that you will only have blue colored veins here, then you can correct it by applying a powder which has little bit pink tint in it. The third reason is when your foundation oxidizes on you. If you have a warm undertone and your foundation has neutral or pink undertone, then initially when you are applying it, then you might find that it is just looking like a perfect match. But after some time, it has the tendency of oxidization, then you will notice that it has started to look darker or ashier on your skin. So to fix this problem, you can also apply this turmeric powder trick. So the turmeric powder won't help you to stop oxidization, but even if it oxidizes, it won't look that ashy on your skin. So guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe. See you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care.